Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a trigonometry function problem. As per the problem, find the values of 6 trigonometric functions for angle x given that secant x equals 8 and sin x is less than 0. In this problem, we have to find the values of 6 trigonometric functions. The 6 trigonometric functions are sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Let's start by analyzing the given information. We are given that secant x is equal to 8. As you may know, secant is the reciprocal ratio for cos, so secant x is equal to 1 over cos x. The denominator of 8 is 1. We can move cos to the numerator by flipping both fractions. We get cos x over 1 equals 1 over 8. And cos x over 1 is equal to just cos x. So cos x is equal to 1 over 8. We are also given that sin x is less than 0. We can use this information to identify the quadrant in which angle x lies. We should use cast rule or ASTC rule. As per the information in the problem, sine of angle x is less than 0. That means angle x can lie in quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. We also know that cos x is equal to a positive value 1 over 8. Out of quadrants 3 and 4, cos is positive in quadrant 4. That means angle x lies in quadrant 4. We can draw angle x in quadrant 4. This is the terminal arm for angle x, and this is angle x. In order to find the values of the trigonometric functions, we need to analyze the triangle this terminal arm makes with x-axis in quadrant 4. We should draw a right angle triangle with the x-axis. We know that cos x is equal to 1 over 8. As per SOHCAHTOA, the formula for cos is length of adjacent side over length of hypotenuse. So in this triangle, the length of the horizontal side is 1 because that's the adjacent side, and the length of the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, is 8 units. In order to find the values of the trigonometric functions, we need to find the length of the vertical side, which we can find using Pythagorean theorem equation, a square plus b square equals c square. In this equation, c represents the length of the hypotenuse. We can sub in 1 as a in this equation. 1 square is equal to 1. 8 square is equal to 64. We should subtract 1 from both sides. I get b square equals 63. Next, we should apply square root to both sides. I get b equals square root of 63. We can simplify square root of 63. 63 is equal to 9 times 7. And square root of 9 is equal to 3. So I get b equals 3 times square root 7. This is the length of the vertical side in this right angle triangle. Now we can find the values of all trigonometric functions for angle x. Let's start with the sine function. The formula for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And in quadrant 4, sine is negative. So sine x is equal to negative 3 square root 7 over 8. The next ratio is cos. We found out the value of cos x from the given ratio secant x. Cos x is equal to 1 over 8. The next ratio is tan. tan x is equal to, the formula for tan is opposite over adjacent. In quadrant 4, tan is negative. The length of the opposite side is 3 square root 7. And the length of the adjacent side is 1. We can simplify this fraction to just negative 3 square root 7. Next, we can find the values of the reciprocal ratios. The reciprocal ratio for sine is cosecant. We should just flip the value we got for sine. Cosecant x is equal to negative 8 over 3 square root 7. We can rationalize this fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by square root 7. I get negative 8 square root 7 over 21. Because square root 7 times square root 7 is equal to 7 and 3 times 7 is 21. The next ratio is secant x. We are given the value of secant x, 8. And the last one is cotangent x, the reciprocal ratio for tan. We got tan x equals negative 3 times square root 7 over 1. We should flip this fraction. I get negative 1 over 3 square root 7. We can rationalize this fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by square root 7. I get negative square root 7 over 21. These are the values of the 6 trigonometric functions for angle x. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.